Before you head out on your next big weekend adventure, make sure that you've decked out your vehicle with a Drivetech 4x4 awning. The Drivetech 4x4 awning range comes in 4 different sizes, ranging from 1.4 metres out to 3 metres wide. They're manufactured from a waterproof 280 GSM heavy-duty ripstop canvas. Installing a Drivetech 4x4 awning is a simple process. The awning itself comes with included brackets which are universally fitted to almost any rack system. Some of the other features of the Drivetech 4x4 awning include a heavy-duty 500 GSM PVC waterproof cover, as well as heavy-duty zippers. The poles on the inside of the awning are manufactured from aluminium, so it keeps the weight down. Setting up the awning is easy. It's even easier if you've got a mate to give you a hand. Make sure that you check out the rest of the Drivetech 4x4 awning range, including some of the additional extras like awning tents, floors and wall extensions. Chuck one in your cart and head to the checkout.